Bonjour à tous, bienvenue à la classe de français. Je vais vous enseigner la langue internationale français. Vous êtes prêts? Très bien. Comment ça va? Ça va très bien. Moi aussi, ça va très bien. So any guesses what we are going to learn today? I'll not tell you. You all have to guess. So today I, Garima Malik, Head International Languages DBS, is going to teach you two basic questioning in French. That is qu'est-ce que c'est? And the other one qui est? That is qu'est-ce que c'est? And the other one qui est? So what I am talking about, you all have to guess. But if you want to know the same, that what I was speaking in French, that what is it in English, for that you all have to come with me in the class where I have prepared a board for you on which I will be teaching you what do qu'est-ce que c'est and qui est means in English. So let's go and see this in my class. So you all can see I have prepared a board for you all. Now just see on this side I have written qu'est-ce que c'est. So for the first question that I was speaking, what do that means? That is, what is this or what are these? That would be qu'est-ce que c'est. Après ça, qui est? That is qui est, which means who is this or who are these in French. So now you all learned what I was speaking those questions in French and what do that means in English. I have a good news for you all. That is, no matters we have two different questions for asking two different things, but we have the same sentence structure for answering both the things. That is, if you want to say this is, it would be say, and if you want to say these are, it would be ce sont. It would be ce sont. For example, let's take an example. What is this? You all can see this is a pen. And what do we say pen in French? That is stylo. That is stylo. S-T-Y-L-O. And what do that means in French? That is pen. And it would be masculine or feminine? Très bien. It would be masculine. So what do we say if I want to say this is a pen? That would be c'est un stylo. That is c'est un stylo. Très bien. And if I want to say this is the pen, it would be c'est le stylo. Très bien. You just need to put those articles that we learned in our articles video. After this, if it would be plural, you would say these are pens. It would be ce sont des stylos. Très bien. If you want to say these are the pens. For example, plural, both of them, it would be ce sont les stylos. Très bien. Après ça, let's take an example of feminine. I have brought this also. So what is this in English? That is scenery. And what do we say scenery in French? That is peinture. That is peinture. P-E-I-N-T-U-R-E. So this is feminine. Très bien. But this is the journal trick. Not every E ending is feminine. That you will learn in sooner or later on our videos. So this is the feminine one. If I want to say this is a scenery or this is a painting, it would be c'est une peinture. Très bien. That would be c'est une peinture. Très bien. If I want to say the plural, you just need to put they and les accordingly. I hope you all learnt both of these questions and the answering trick too. So you all practice the same at your home by giving you yourself some vocabulary in French. I hope you all will practice it. Let's meet next time by asking the same questions and conversing and learning more conversation questions in French. Au revoir. À la prochaine.